Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be showing you guys my custom PSP wallpaper pack. So quite a lot of people in my videos have seen the wallpaper I've been using on my PSP and they've been asking me for a download link, so I just thought I would just upload my whole wallpaper pack to Google Drive so you guys can download it and install it on your PSP. So the link is in the description. Once you go to the link you can just go ahead and click the download option in the top right. Then just head over to your downloads folder and you will see the download in there. So it's right here. What you want to do is just do right click and then extract here. It's then going to give you this picture folder, and inside of this are all of the themes. So you guys can have a look through. You can delete some if you don't like them. I don't care, it's up to you what you do with them. But pretty much this is probably the most popular theme people have been asking for. This one as well. And there's a few other themes in here which I think look really nice on the PSP. So all you want to do is basically just copy this to the root of your PSP. So mine's plugged in right here. As you can see, I've already got a picture folder, but this one will overwrite it. So I'm just going to put it in. Just do replace the files. Okay, now it's on your PSP. You can check it if you want to. All 15 pictures should be in there. So that's it for the computer. Now I'll show you guys just a showcase of all of the themes. Right guys, so once you're on your PSP, you can now select the themes. So what I like to do first is just put a theme on before I actually put the wallpaper on. So I'm just going to go into themes now. I've got this theme here, which I really like because I really like the style of the buttons and stuff in this. So I'm just going to put this on right now. So it's going to look like this. And now you want to choose your wallpaper. So scroll up, go over to the photo section, go into a memory stick. Here are all of the pictures that you copied across. So pretty much all of these I sort of custom-made myself. They're all pictures of Google Images. I didn't make the images, but I just cropped them down to PSP size and put them in the best place possible. So you can really just select anyone you like. I really like this one right here, this Yoshi one. This looks really nice. This one here is one that everyone has been requesting. So many people actually asked for this, which I was kind of surprised, but there you go, you get it in this video. This is an Umbreon one. So most of these are just Pokemon or anime or Mario games, or even brands. I've got a Thrash one here. Let's just equip this one. I quite like this one actually. It really suits the PSP. So once you've equipped it, you can just go back a few times. And that is what it looks like on the home screen. So maybe not the best icons to go with this picture, but it does look pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and equip another one right now. Which one is good? I think this one's pretty cool as well. So you just press triangle and then you scroll across to set as wallpaper, press X on that, then press X on yes, and that is pretty much it. This is just the custom wallpapers that I pretty much use on every PSP that I end up jailbreaking. So that's true. Oh, you don't need the jailbreak for this as well, by the way. It's just makes your PSP look a lot cooler. So let's just put this one on as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed these themes, because a lot of people have been requesting for them, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.